morning, I'm Beth and I'm here today to tell you a little bit about what I've done in my Masters in Aerospace Engineering. I'm currently studying for my PhD in Aerospace Engineering, looking at a new manufacturing technique called additive layer manufacturing. Before this, I previously studied at Swansea University for my Masters in Aerospace Engineering. This I completed 2 years ago, and for my final project I worked with a group of 10 other students to design a plane, which is a blended wing body business jet, and then to put it into the flight simulator here. Once we have finished designing the aircraft, we are then able to put the information that we have found into the flight simulator's computer to allow us to run the software to use this flight simulator. What we do is we input the computer information and then we test fly our planes in here to see that what we have designed is what the actual results that we get from the aircraft. This simulator can be used both with motion on and off and is one of only 15 simulators in the UK. It really allows students at the university to experience what we have learned. The aircraft is designed as part of our Masters project to allow us to enter it into the UK It Flies competition. We entered this competition 2 years ago in Coventry University and we managed to come second, which makes us feel very proud of what we've done for our project. Because of where we finished in that competition, we were then invited to take the plane to the US inaugural It Flies competition. This was such a wonderful experience for the students that were left at the university to take something that we had designed and enter it in a competition against many other students. And once again, our plane came second, so we were really proud. Although there were 10 of us that entered the Coventry competition, when it came to the next year, only 5 of us were still in Swansea doing our PhDs, so this was the 5 that went to America. We managed to get ourselves funding from the Royal Aeronautical Society for our flights over there, and we stayed with students at the University of Dayton in their halls, which was an interesting experience to say the least. When we were over there, there was such a lot of activities that were put on for the students that had come over and for the group of students that were already there, because we were also there with a regional conference for their aerospace society. We found that we were able to go to the museum in the Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, which was amazing for anyone interested in aerospace. All the planes that we got to see was just awesome. The competition is the same format as the UK It Flies competition, where we gave a presentation in the morning and answered any questions that the test pilots had on our aircraft, and then in the afternoon all the aircrafts were test flown to see how they performed and if they matched to our flight test that we had to perform before taking the planes over. The judges for this are all well-experienced test pilots, and they try to match the judge with the aircraft. So we had a test pilot for our blended wing body who has flown the B-2 bomber. This was quite an experience because he could explain to us exactly how our plane reacted compared to a genuine blended wing body plane that has been flown before. I finished my Masters. Coming on to do a PhD in Aerospace Engineering seemed like a good idea to me because I can continue what I've learned, and being at the university has really helped me. The support that we get from not only the academic staff, also from the technicians within the flight lab really helps us. They have such a greater knowledge of what to do with the machine and even what we put in the machine, how that's going to come out. So their help is just outstanding.